we all like pretty envelopes and things, don't we, right? So we can do nice writing and stuff, but it's also nice to seal up your cards with a nice wax thing, isn't it? Yeah. So some years ago, many years ago, when I was getting married, we used wax seals on our invitations, and I kid you not, I still have these from, I mean, it's like 5 plus many years. So these were very tricky to use. So you had to basically light this wick and then drip, try to get enough wax on your envelopes before it cooled, and then use your wax stamp. So I thought, once I'd done all my invitations, I just thought, you know what, this was a lot of hassle. So I put it in a box and haven't seen it since, pretty much. There's gotta be an easier way, right? Right? It sure is. Look at this. So I got these from an online store called Craft Spire. And you not only, you can get just one color. If you have a favorite color, I mean, look, I got this selection of colors because I couldn't pick just one color. So I thought, let's just get like a selection of colors so I can pick and choose. And you can also then custom make your wax seals. So I thought, okay, well, let's get some of these. And then I also got some of these sticks that actually go in your hot glue gun. So if you don't want to be playing with fire, literally, just get your hot glue gun out and stick this in where your glue sticks goes, and pop, 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 done. So with this kit, you also get a little spoon. So you take your wax of choice, blue of course, and then you heat it and then you just pour it. So you also get a couple of little candles to kind of get you started. And I have, from previous purchase, one of these holders. So you put your candle down on top and then you just melt it like that. So you don't actually have to hold it still. So you can write your letters or cards or whatever, seal them up, get them ready whilst this is melting. So I thought, okay, let's try some of these colors out, because these are brand new to me, just opened today. I haven't actually tried them yet, so we are going to do that right now. And another cool little gadget I have is this non-gasoline butane and wood lighter. So this is actually USB charged, and look at that. Cool, huh? So it's like an electric lighter, and it works a treat. So if you want to save the nature and not burn down any more trees, or burn down trees, take down any more trees, just get yourself one of those. Found it on Amazon, super easy. And we're going to pick, right, so we're gonna pick a couple. I have a few cards already made here, or sealed, and this is going to go in here. And so we're gonna find a color that will complement our envelopes, because that's basically the whole point of it, isn't it? You know, unless you pick like a signature color. So here's another one. So we're gonna get this one in. And so I think, because I'm gonna be doing this one after the other, I am going to start with the light colors and then go for the darker ones. So for this one, wonder if we're gonna go gold to like match that, or whether we should do white. White could be cool. Or maybe, yeah, let's do gold. So we're gonna pop a couple of these in. Actually, we're gonna do 3, maybe 4, and maybe, yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I also have a couple of wax seals. So these, pretty sure these are from Etsy. I get so many things from Etsy. Etsy is my downfall. But And they both actually have ease on them. Like this one is super intricate and this one is more of a, it has a little bit of a flourish to it. And obviously you're gonna wanna make sure you get it the right way as well so it's not upside down. So from Craftspire, you can actually buy some of these as well as your wax. So that's nice and handy. And this came really, really quickly as well. So we like that. We like quick delivery, easy ordering. So we're just gonna wait for that to melt. And I think we're gonna use one each on these actually. So it's gonna be that way and that way. Oh, look at that melt. And you might have noticed as well, I put down like a little bit of, I think this is just granite. I found it outside, but it was a little bit flat. So I thought, that's great. I can protect my photo board surface so we don't get any burn marks on that. And we are nearly done here. Look at that going in. Ooh. I think this is gonna look really nice with a little bit of mint green in there as well. And I think for this one, I should probably use silver because I use a silver pen. But this blue is so gorgeous and it's just enough of a difference so that it will be a little bit of a contrast. And for this one, maybe, oh, maybe that one, yeah. But we'll play along with that a little bit later, and we're gonna get these two done first. So let's see, ooh, that is practically done. Right. Ooh, maybe I went a little bit overboard here and used all of it, but oh well. It would be a very impressive wax sign, or wax seal even. Right, so we're gonna let that sit for a sec and we are going to pop in another couple of these. We'll add a little bit more mint in this one, I think. So now the question is, more gold or more mint? Well, seeing as we did lots of gold in that one, we're gonna do more mint in this one, just to kind of shake it up a little bit. And so we can compare them next to each other as well. So one thing I would suggest is, if you're gonna do this, is get your cards ready, at least a few of them, and then you can kind of work as you go along. So this doesn't take that long to set. But oh, look at that. That's really cool. And then it's so tempting to touch that, but don't. Try not to. And you will get a little bit of smoke as well with the candle being right underneath, but just keep an eye on it. But don't worry too much. Actually, you can have a look at this. So you can see that it's really nice and sort of intricate there. And a lot of places will offer a customization, so you can actually get like your logo or your name put onto your wax seal. So that's a really nice way of just customizing your happy mail. Look at that. Oh, I think we'll use this one again. Actually, it looks so much nicer. And let's try the blue one. I really want to try the blue one. that looks gorgeous. I love that. So nice. Right, so all of these are going to go in the mail and hopefully brighten someone's day. Down below in the description box you will find links to the kit that I've used and also to the wax stick kit. And if you grab any of this, don't forget to use the code Erica5 for $5 off your first order over $40. And yes, the link down below is an affiliate link, so if you use it, thank you so much for supporting me, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and will try this for yourself.